I don't know why I don't have any brain cells. I can't finish a sentence.
I'm like telling the story in my head.
Okay, so like, do I tell the story? Okay.
Like, should I chime it? We're on, ladies and gents.
Oh yeah, gotta make my trash. Okay.
I know I'm gonna hate myself in every single one of these clips, so.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put my hair up because my hair looks like a lot. I air dried my hair.
TJ Maxx.
Oh, we can go there too.
Love me a TJ.
Let's just like,
Bad Bath &
the
Beyond.
title can be like, watch on, like, let's fuck around.
Okay, well, let's not give my town away.
Okay, Emma Chamberlain. Okay, like, mysterious. We're fucking in Watchung at the fucking complex.
Complex.
What do you call
What is
it?
a complex?
I don't know.
A strip mall?
Hey. Should we hit up a strip club?
Yeah.
Ah!
Vibe. Have you ever been?
No.
Oh
Have
my
you?
god, yeah.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god!
You have to unemployed.
Jobless. Life is crumbling. Divorced.
Not
alcoholic. Debatable. She goes.
There she
I'm gonna watch this and be like, what kind of drugs do they do? Because I finna want them.
Finna.
I love finna.
Finna. I really want to go into Target.
Okay, let's go. We're out here in Target. Lit. It's so beautiful. So we're walking in, baby. This is real. This is me. This is exactly who I'm supposed to be. If we get kicked out, I'm not gonna be surprised.
Oh no. Oh my god, wait until you see what they have in the Halloween section. You're literally gonna lose your mind.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. This is literally a vibe for you. Yes. My man great so they gotta be.
Oh my god. This is why I'm single. Okay.
Wait, what a vibe.
Oh my god, this is Ulta? Ulta is quaking. Okay, so what are we doing?
We are.
Where are we
We're going to the
here?
spooky section.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Stuff, bitch. Strut your stuff.
So, welcome to Target, baby. Don't know why I'm here. Okay, so we love Tide.
Love a good Tide Pod.
Trying on Barstool. Sponsor me, Barstool. I can be cute. I can be sexy. Okay. Where are we going? For the 5th time, where are we going? Oh my god, I love mac and cheese. Oh my god, I love you.
Oh. Yes.
So,
Yes. Vibe.
stuff. Okay. I think I'm doing a tour of Target. Is Target gonna sponsor me? I'll take it. So what are we doing? We're gonna go to the spooky section. Okay, great. We love that. Come. Wait.
Oh wait, that's why we're here. That's what we were walking towards. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yep. Got no horses in the.
Is that a horse?
It's a unicorn.
Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Jesus. You break it, you buy it.
So here is where you come for all your costume needs this year. I'd say the trendiest Halloween costumes are right here. Readily available. Target.
No patience. I'm putting this on.
No, you're not. Oh my god. Just literally ripped that off.
Fuck my bag. Fuck everything.
I just spit on your camera.
Okay, it's fine. Oh, okay. We're having a little trouble.
Low key, the kids section has dope onesies.
Oh shit.
Low key. No. This is the Halloween section.
I'm gonna be a unicorn.
Wait, I was cutting off your head. Shoot.
Okay. This is actually happening. Okay, is there like a headpiece?
Yes, you got it. Oh, yep, there she is. Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Oh yeah, come through, Rainbow Mane. Wait, I'm so dead. Please turn the freak around. Turn around. Look at that tail. Look at that freaking tail.
No, wait,
twerk, twerk.
Oh.
Vibe. Vibe.
Vibe check. Cane to my face.
This is
So hey
it.
guys, welcome to Target. This is not sponsored, but if you want
Not
sponsor me,
spons.
I'm fucking sweating by the way.
Holy shit.
I can't even imagine.
So yeah, OOTD.
Mm-hmm.
All brandy.
Right. Right.
Don't know what that was.
We're back. We're back and it's back to Heather.
Regularly scheduled programming.
Oh my
Where
god.
should we go now?
Oh, okay. Cadillac Cantina. R.I.P. Oh my god, I love the bikes.
They're like attached in.
So yeah, this is what we do on Sundays. Game day, baby. Game day. Game day. Game day, baby. I am not in Hoboken. What? I'm in Target.
Same. Hater. Oh, cute.
I don't
Let's
know.
get out of here.
I'm over this. We're not men, you know. We don't know how to do this.
Sports?
Okay. I don't. What inning is it?
I don't know.
Okay. How to lose brain cells. Tutorial.
Tiffany meets. Tiffany meets. Tiffany meets my mom for the first time today. My mom's like, "Oh, how old are you? Like 19." Oh my god, I thought you were 19. Like, wait, come alive. I'm gonna hate this. I'm literally gonna hate watching it. Oh, did it go over?
Oh, I thought it was Did it go over? Is it okay?
It's like over the head.
You're not even playing catch. You're like, yeah, so taking over the video. So Tiffany met my mom today. She thought I was 19. So do you want to play catch with me?
Okay. I feel assaulted.
Oh, here she goes.
You do that thing.
Oh. Do what? You're just approaching me with a ball and you're running.
We run towards each other with the
Oh,
balls
okay,
like
okay.
this.
Okay.
We go.
Oh, these are the parents that actually saw me transform into a unicorn, and they didn't question it. And I really appreciate that.
they really-
Oh shit! This changes everything. Holy fucking shit! No idea who that is, but I do know who this guy is. He's a familiar, huge fan. Huge fan. Oh, who dis? Just not attractive at all. Sorry. Not my type. Not my type. I just like Italian men who ruin my life. True vibes. Literally, like if you're Italian, if you're tall,
This doesn't
if
have
you're a
hood, I
fuckboy, hit
assume.
me up because I like you. Absolutely. Absolutely. You're doing great. Absolutely. Totally
So
doing
many
great.
haters. So many haters, but guess what I say to that?
I'm jobless. That's what I say to that.
Why do you have to remind me every 2 seconds?
Wait, we need to tell that story of how you quit your job
Yeah, I quit my job
with no plan.
to have absolutely no backup. Like, I just quit to quit. And honestly,
Great. So we actually thought the camera was on. The camera was never on. I was talking to the camera as if it was on. So basically we just looked like idiots and could have been here for minutes. So basically what we were saying when the camera was off is
it's not even on.
so we're at Applebee's, another parking lot, another shitty ass parking lot. We're here.
Okay, relax.
We had some great food. I love Applebee's.
Oh, love it.
Applebee's is so good. It's preferably better when it's half apps.
Yeah, of course. Because we love a good deal.
Love an affordable meal. Okay. This is what you wanted to do so badly that we had to run. I had to pay and run. There was no toilet paper in that bathroom either, so I used paper towel, which is a totally different game. You've seen paper towel, but have you heard of toilet paper?
It ain't no Shaman Ultra, baby.
We're just gonna pretend that didn't happen. So
I'm head out.
fuck this shit, I'm gonna head out. Wait, actually, I've never done that.
Oh my god.
Wait,
You haven't
ow.
done.
Ow?
You haven't done that?
I haven't done that.
I used to do this.
Oh my god, this is amazing. This is living. This is living. I'm getting the full experience.
Oh
I'm living my life. I'm doing what I have to do because I'm a feminist. Literally, focal point you.
No, it's not. You're just thinking.
Welcome to my channel.
Hey. Ask us some questions. We'll go
Okay.
live on Instagram right now.
Nobody will watch.
No one will watch.
What we can do.
What we can do.
Wait, what were we gonna talk about?
I don't think we really had a game plan.
Is that a G-Wagon?
Oh yeah, sexy.
At McDonald's, whole ass mood.
Wait.
G-Wagon, 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 G-Wagon on the house
the
while I was
golden
pulling up.
arches.
The gold what?
Golden arches.
What is that?
McDonald's. Yeah.
I know, I seriously have to go back to school. Oh, okay,
Yes,
perfect.
crystal clear, so
We
pretty.
love that.
Love
Okay,
that.
perfect.
What a vibe. Good for them.
And
Get that
I'm-
McGriddle. Get that McGriddle, bitch!
Let's tell some stories. Again.
So
So Leo of you, were you gonna take a selfie mid-filming? Because same.
yeah.
Yeah! Okay, let's talk about how it's very hard to find a decent male in this
Oh, okay.
decade.
Yeah.
You can't relate. So.
Wow.
The dating scene is horrible.
Yeah, it's
Let me tell you a little something. I might as well fucking end up alone. Okay, I always think a celebrity is near, but then again,
We're in freaking Bridgewater, New Jersey.
nobody's
Hello?
here but us. Did you just Peppa? Are you Peppa? Peppa Pig.
Hey guys, it's your girl Tiff. My camera actually died, so I'm heading out. I hope you guys are enjoying this picture of Heather. She's never looked better. Hun, you look great. I hope everyone likes, subscribes, and comments on this video. I worked so hard on it. Heather, thank you so much for just coming along for the ride. And see you guys next video.